Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we're going to show you how to pair the boAt 100 wireless earphones with your Android smartphone device. To begin with, you should ensure that your earphones are properly charged. We bought this one up to 100%, and then read the user manual because that will have all the instructions regarding how you should operate your earphones. To initiate the pairing process, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on your smartphone. Then head over to the Bluetooth settings. On your earphone, you'll find the multifunction button in the center. Keep that pressed for 5 seconds. And then search for the device. There's a little LED on the device which tells you the status of the pairing process. And now you can see that the device has appeared in your Bluetooth settings. Tap on it. You should get a prompt to confirm pairing. Accept. And you're done. You can now head over to your favorite music player app to enjoy some music. We hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching.